आज हम बात करेंगे इस वीडियो में कि आप कैसे इस एरे को सॉर्ट कर सकते हो। आपके पास एक स्ट्रिंग एरे होगा, एरे, और इस एरे को आप कैसे सॉर्ट कर सकते हो, सॉर्ट दिस एरे। ओके, so first of all I'm going to talk about how you can do this. So first you have to understand what is the actual question, so then after you can start. For example, you have one string, you have a one string. First of all, I'm going to take one main method and what is my question. Okay, then after you can understand how you can sort it. Okay, and first of all I'm going to take one string s, not array equal to double quote, yeah, you can take curly braces, anything you want. Just take our name, yeah, our country. For examples, you have a 10 students and you have to sort with the alphabetical orders. You have all the content name and you have to sort this data on the basis of the alphabetical orders. So how can you sort? For examples, in this string having a prince, one more thing is having a Deepak, one more guy is Ajay, one more guy is Sujit, more guys, Vikas. You have to sort this data on the basis of alphabetical orders. How you can do this? So you have to do this. So I'm going to use user defined method. I'm not going to use any predefined method, so be careful. And this question is very important for the what exchange level also, fresher level also. So I hope you understand it's better way, then you can do it. Okay, so let's start now. So first of all I'm going to make one methods to do this. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to take, yeah, just you can do in this main method also, no problem. Take one for loop and int I equal to 0, I less than s dot length. Simple. You have to iterate -1, okay, and I plus plus. That's it. One more loop you have to take for comparing. So int j equal to not 0, I say I plus 1, because I is already 0 in first time, so you just take 1. After once you have to compare, and j less than equal to s dot. You know, length is one of the data types are available in array, and just j. Okay, so you take one loop and you are iterating and comparing one by one. So how you can compare? You have a if condition. Okay, so just you have to put s dot, yeah, you can say s of I dot. You have a one method called compare. It's available in a string. So just use compare to methods and pass the value whatever you have to compare to s of j. You have to compare, and this method compare to will return 0, 1 and -1, three value. If this string is greater than this string, definitely it will return what? Positive value, यानी कि 1. Okay, and when this string is equal to this string, then it will return 0. Okay, and this string is a smaller compared to alphabetical order, it's a compared to, then it will give on minus 0. And just do it. What you have to do, just take one temp string equal to s of I. Just I have to swapping the value, because this value is, if this condition is satisfied, then definitely this value is given 1. So this all is given 1, then this condition is satisfied, so just swap it. Your first element, for example, Deepak come to Prince position and Prince come to Deepak position, that's it. Okay, and just take s of I equal to s of j equal to temp. Completed. And after n, you just print the value of s. What is happening? You have a one method called toString. Okay, so a string having a already toString methods, so you don't want to do anything. Just you have a features called arrays. Arrays dot arrays. Arrays dot a double r a y s. Arrays dot to a string, and just pass your s. If you run this, you will get the output like sorting, because this is not a sorting orders. First you want Deepak, first you want Ajay, then you want Deepak, then you want Prince, Sujit, and then Vikas. So you can cut it like that. Just I am going to run this code. See the output here, console. Ajay, Deepak, Prince, Sujit, Vikas. So I hope you understood how you can do this, and this is not a simple questions. It's this question is asking in so many interview for fresher and experience also. I hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching my video.